Yeah, okay, super excited about today's video. This is going to be a updated video for instant recalls, and we're going to be showing you the latest update and also payment proof. Okay, so really super excited, been waiting a few months for this. So we're going to go straight into it, and we're going to show you exactly what instant recalls is, how you get paid, and also proof that I've actually got paid. Okay, so let's crack on and show you instant recalls. Okay, so instant recalls. Okay, it's an app, as you can see here, and it's downloadable from the Apple Store and from Google Play. So I'll leave a link under the in the description below here. If you want to test it out yourself, you can go and do that. And basically what it does, it helps you recall memories, the places you've been, things you've done, all that sort of thing. And I'll show you exactly inside the app very shortly. And we're also going to show you about payment proof. Now, I first done a video about instant recall about 7 months ago. Okay, this one here. Okay, and that's when I first got introduced to it, and they were having payment problems with the payment issues. The payment providers such as PayPal, Payoneer, to be verified for every country in the world. So they found it difficult, so they weren't able to actually launch. But a couple of updates later, like I say, an update here 6 months ago, and then 4 months ago, I done the last update, which was just here. And I can literally say now that instant recalls is paying out. I've had a payment into my account this month, which is fantastic. So that means that obviously everything is good to go. So let's go and show you how you can actually make money by sharing your data. Okay, and this is anonymous data that you can just share by literally downloading the app and then just clicking a button to say yes, you actually want to be involved in sharing your data, and of course getting paid for it. They also have their own YouTube channel as well, where you can get updates as well. And now Paul Schneider, the actual CEO of the App Direct company that actually is based in America, I've been liaising with him through emails lately. So again, it's really good to know that you're actually talking to the people who are actually developing the app, so you know it is a totally legit app that obviously you're going to get involved in. So let's dive over to the actual app itself and show you exactly what you have to do, really, which is not a lot. Okay, so we've come into the Instant Recall app, okay, and it defaults to the map setting here, which you actually obviously come onto. Now, there's a couple of things. You can obviously have a list view here, but I've obviously got no list of any places that I want to actually memorize, a bin or whatever. But this is what you can do. You can actually, if you go to a pub or a restaurant or whatever, you think, oh, that was a great pub. Let's just log that, and you can log that with inside the app. And then if you actually want to recall it, as in the words instant recall, you can actually just click on it and you'll be able to find out exactly where that place was that you had that lovely meal, etc. So that's how the app works, and the app is free to download and free to use, as in that sense. Now actually, if you want to make money from the app, and you actually want to actually give them your location data, and that's all you're giving them is your location data, nothing else. So like I say, everything is above board. They don't even give you any emails or names or anything of anybody in your downline because obviously the Data Protection Act, and you're not giving them that information. So this is how why they're actually ticking every single box. Also got settings here as well, and as you can see at the top here, it says cancel subscription. Now, if you want to actually earn money from Instant Recall, there is a $3.99 payment, monthly payment due to Google, so you can actually participate in the location data. Now, obviously, it says here you can share with friends, how to use. So it shows you how to use it there as well. So it's got all the information there, shows you what you have to do. You have to go and download what they call the G-Point wallet, because that is how they are getting paid now, through a G-Point wallet, which should be worldwide. And it says here you will get paid monthly on the 15th of each month, okay? Maximize the compensation, you need to obviously get 10 referrals. And the reason for 10 referrals is because at the moment when you actually join and you refer anybody, from the beginning you'll get paid down 2 levels, and you're going to get $1 per month for everybody in your downline, okay? And that's on the first level and the second level. Once you hit 10 referrals, it basically opens up another 2 levels, okay? So you then get paid down 4 levels. So if everybody got 10 people into their business, you could end up earning $5,600 a month from Instant Recall. So you can see the power of it, guys. And like I say, it's all legit. It's all above board. I've been speaking to the CEO via email. He's obviously on video, on camera, explaining things on his YouTube channel. So make sure you check that out as well. Like I say, it's all legit. All you have to do is literally, like I say, download the app. Click on the subscription when you're prompted, pay the $3.99 subscription, and then go and share it with friends. If you share it with 4 friends, it's costing you absolutely nothing straight away. And also, you're going to then, if they share, you're going to start earning money off of just 4 friends. And now everybody's got 4 friends that wants to possibly earn a little bit of extra cash per month. If we go back to the home page, and as you can see here, you've got points up in the top right hand corner. This denotes how many people you've got in your team. You get 20 points for a level 1 and 10 points, and 20 points for a level 1, 20 points for level 2, and then 10 points for level 3s and 4s. Okay, so if you wanted to see who's in your team, like I say, you get the name, but you don't get any emails or anything like that. The plus denotes that there is going to be a level 2 or something underneath. And if they've obviously had turned orange, that means they did pay for a subscription and have now obviously lapsed. Now, a lot of these people are going to take the subscription back up now because obviously it started to pay out, where people did join it initially and obviously stopped because they probably weren't getting paid out. And like I say, this guy here has got 10 on his level 2 already, which is great. So he now needs to just contact them or get them to obviously upgrade. And we've got a few green ones here. There we go. There's a few green ones there as well. So that's what means I'm actually getting paid. So if we go across to my G point, now you don't have to do anything to get paid. So I can't show you how you're actually going to get paid, because what happens is that they literally just pay you every 15th of the month. Now, if we go across and we go out of this app and we go into my G Point wallet, which is down here. Now, straight away, as you can see, that G Point wallet has got the same details as my Instant Recall, so they can pick it up from there, and that's basically how they've paid me $7 so far. So that's 7 G points, which equates to $7, and it says here you've been paid Instant Recall commissions. Okay, now if you want to get it out, obviously here, transfer balance. So you just click on transfer balance, you click on what you want, and then you've got to add a method of payment. Okay, so you add a method of payment there, and this could be a bank, you could do a wire transfer, or you could do a G Point prepaid card. So they do a prepaid card that you can actually get as well. This may not be available in every country, but it is that option there. But you can go to a bank, straight into your bank account here, guys. So I'll be adding my bank account into here, and then obviously I can transfer that balance straight across, and you'll be able to see that in another video. So make sure you stay tuned into the channel for that. That's how easy it is to use Instant Recall to actually turn $4 a month into over 5,500. Of course, there's no limit on that. If you just wanted to get more than 10 people, like I say, I've got about 70 people in my downline at the moment. So yeah, there's nothing to stop you growing this to an unlimited amount of money every single month. And it certainly looks as if it's going to be one of the things that people are going to be jumping on soon. So make sure you get in first, and obviously get your link out to other people so you can start building your downline. If you've got any questions about Instant Recall, then obviously pop them in the comments below, and I'll be only too glad to help. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.